Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video we are reviewing Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Color. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. So this is how the Plumping liquid lipstick looks like. It's very tiny. See, as I go back, you can see how tiny it is. On my phone, I'm going to read you guys the claims about this Plumping liquid lipstick. Okay, so it claims it is a full coverage water-infused liquid lipstick that hydrates and visibly plumps with a weightless glossy feel. And it says it's hydrating and plumping to the lips. And it has encapsulated H2O, which creates a sensorial feel and instantly locks in hydration. It has water infused formula, which is supposed to create a juicy sensation on application. And it has no parabens and no sulfates. Is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Comes in 13 colors and it retails for $24 and it's available at Sephora. This is the Plumping liquid lipstick, how it looks like, and it's like this. I'm going to swatch it. And this is in the shade Cool Pink. Okay, so now we are going to do the Kiss Proof Wear Test. If you're a long subscriber, you know I do this to see if it's long wearing or not. So let's do this. So I have my hand. No, it is not long wearing. You definitely have to reapply it during the day. So when you eat and drink, it's definitely going to come off your lip. This is one of those liquid lipstick that you have to definitely reapply. My honest opinion about this Makeup by Mario Plumping liquid lipstick in the shade Cool Pink. The first thing I like about is the shade. This shade is so beautiful, this Cool Pink, and you can see it does have shine in it. And also, as I was applying, I feel the tingling on my lips because this is a Plumping liquid lipstick, which is amazing. And I love Plumping liquid lipstick, but I love the fact that it's cruelty-free, vegan or not. So that's why I know it's not going to irritate my lips at all. But I can see the plumping whatsoever. You can see before and after that my lips looks a little bigger as normal. As you can see, the before my lips were not like this big. It definitely like plumps your lips and whatnot. Really like it. It doesn't have no scent to it. Normally liquid lipstick has like a vanilla scent to it. No scent whatsoever. So that's how clean it is. And I love the fact it has all these natural oils. So and I love the plumpiness from it. Look how my lips look so plump and whatnot. You definitely, guys, you have to go back and look at the before and look at it now to see the difference. Comes in 13 shades, which is great, and I love the fact that as I apply it gives hydration, so this is definitely worth it. Provides hydration on the lips and gives plumping action on the lips. It really does plump the lips without making your lips irritated, get red or whatnot, because it has no parabens, no stuff. It's cruelty free, vegan, and all that good stuff. Is amazing. So I honestly feel that is worth it. Again, 13 colors, retails for $24 and it's available at Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here. And I'll see you in my next video.